Battery egress lights are a critical component of building safety, providing illumination during power outages to guide occupants to safety. Regular testing is essential to ensure that these lights function correctly when needed. This involves both monthly and annual inspections, each with its own set of procedures and considerations. A monthly battery egress light test form should include sections for the building name, date, tester's name, and the location of the egress light being tested. The form should also specify the equipment used, which typically includes a flashlight, a ladder if necessary, and the test button on the egress light itself. The monthly procedure involves several steps. Firstly, observe the egress light for any visual damage or obstructions. Secondly, press the test button on the egress light. Confirm that the light illuminates fully and evenly. Optionally, measure the light output with a light meter. Note the battery voltage and the date of the last battery replacement. Observations should be recorded on the form, including whether the light output is sufficient or insufficient, whether the light distribution is even or uneven, the battery voltage, and the date of the last battery replacement. Corrective actions should be taken and documented based on the observations. Firstly, if the light output is insufficient or uneven, replace the bulb or lens. Secondly, if the battery voltage is low, replace the batteries. Thirdly, if there is any damage or obstruction, make necessary repairs or clear the obstruction. The inspector should sign the form to verify the completion of the test. The annual battery egress light test form is more comprehensive and includes additional steps and equipment. In addition to the sections found on the monthly form, the annual form should include sections for the equipment used, which include a flashlight, a ladder if necessary, a voltmeter, and a timer. The annual procedure begins with performing the monthly battery egress light test procedures. Then, disconnect the egress light from the circuit. Use a voltmeter to measure the voltage of the egress light batteries. Set a timer for 90 minutes. Connect the egress light to the circuit and start the timer. Record the battery voltage every 15 minutes for 90 minutes. The observations section of the annual form should include the battery voltage after 90 minutes of voltage drop curve and the runtime of the light. The corrective actions section should address potential issues identified during the annual test. Firstly, if the battery voltage drops below the manufacturer's specifications during the 90-minute test, replace the batteries. Secondly, if the voltage drop curve indicates a rapid decline in battery voltage, consult an electrician to investigate the cause. Finally, the inspector should sign the annual form to verify the completion of the test. These forms provide a structured approach to testing battery egress lights, ensuring that all critical aspects are checked and documented. Regular testing and maintenance are crucial for maintaining the safety and reliability of these essential lighting systems.